Moi kaikki! So today I am going to follow up on a previous question word video that I did. If you guys remember, I did a video on KUKA. So if you haven't checked that out, it'll be up here and I'll also link it down below. But today I wanted to kind of bounce off of that video and do the plural form of KUKA, which is KETKÄ. KETKÄ. So the nominatiivi, or the basic form of who in Finnish, is KUKA. The plural nominatiivi form of KUKA is KETKÄ. So it means who in plural. The plural version of who. So if you're unfamiliar with KUKA or what nominatiivi is, both videos have already been done and I'll also link them down below. So go check those out first if you haven't. So yeah, the main point is that KETKÄ, 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 KETKÄ is the plural nominatiivi form of KUKA. So it means who in plural. Who in plural. So I thought I would include a couple of sample sentences to kind of get more of an idea of what I'm talking about. So the first sample sentence, I've written them here, so that's why I keep glancing this way. The first sample sentence is Ketkä menevät huomenna kauppaan? Ketkä menevät huomenna kauppaan? So who people plural, is going to the store tomorrow. Ketkä. Ketkä is plural. Who plural is going to the store tomorrow. So then the puhekieli, so the bit more natural way of saying this would be Ketkä menee huomen kauppaan? Ketkä, who plural, menee, go. Huomen would be the shortened form of huomenna, so tomorrow. Kauppaan, to the store. Ketkä menee huomen kauppaan? Ketkä menee huomen kauppaan? Ketkä, who plural. Then the example sentence number 2 would be Ketkä haluaa kahvia? Ketkä haluaa kahvia? Who plural wants coffee? Who wants coffee? Plural. The more natural way of saying this would be Ketkä haluu kahvia? Ketkä, who plural. Haluu is the kind of shorter form of haluaa, or you could say Ketkä haluais, which would I guess be the more polite way of saying Ketkä haluais, which would be the shorter form of haluaisi. But it's just fine to say Ketkä haluu kahvia as well. Kahvi would be the shorter form of kahvia, coffee. Who wants coffee? Ketkä haluu kahvia? Ketkä, who plural. So you're kind of asking a group of people, who wants coffee? Like, which one of you wants coffee? You're addressing like a group of people, and therefore instead of saying KUKA, I guess Ketkä would be like the more grammatically correct way of saying this sentence. Last sample sentence is Ketkä tulevat meille iltapäivällä? Ketkä, who plural, tulevat, are coming, meille, to ours, iltapäivällä, in the afternoon. Ketkä tulevat meille iltapäivällä? Oh, sorry, it's like over 30 degrees here, so it's like really hot. So yeah, but the puhekieli, or the more natural sounding way of saying this would be Ketkä tulee meille iltapäivällä? Ketkä, who plural, tulee, shortened form of tulevat. So ketkä tulee, who's coming, meille, to ours, implied, to our house. Iltapäivällä is the shorter form of iltapäivällä. So as you can see, Finnish people are kind of lazy when they speak, so a lot of the endings are kind of just chopped off in the puhekieli version, but that is how you make it sound a bit more natural when you're speaking. Ketkä tulee meille iltapäivällä? Ketkä. Who, plural. So that's basically the main point of this video. I would just like to add as a side note to the end of this a little remark about puhekieli. So sometimes in puhekieli, kuka is used to replace ketkä when you're addressing a group of people. So sometimes you might hear kuka being used in a plural setting. Now, I don't know if this is just me, but I do think, like for example with the coffee example, I feel like I personally, now I'm not saying that everyone would do this, I personally kind of gravitate more towards saying kuka haluu kahvi, even if I were addressing like a group of people, just cause, I don't know, it feels more natural to me, but the grammatically correct way would be to say ketkä haluu kahvi if you're addressing more than one person. The main point of this video was ketkä means who, plural. So when you're addressing a group of people, you would use the question word ketkä. That just about concludes this video. Guess it's till next time. Moikka!